Hello, welcome again to the training centre. Now I'm pretty sure that you'll know with our Cromax Ultra Performance Energy System we already have the fastest refinish process in the market. However, we never want to stand still, we're always looking to move forward, and so using the latest Axalta technology we're now able to introduce our Cc6750 Ultra Performance Energy System Clear, and this is going to add a whole new level of performance to our system. I'm joined in the spray booth by Thomas, who is the Cromax training leader, and I'm going to let Thomas talk to you about the features and benefits of the Clear whilst I go and make it ready to spray before I come back and put the story into practice.
Let me start with the Ultra Performance Energy Activators. These are the same as we currently have in the system, and also the mixing ratio 2:1 stays the same. Besides our productive application process in 1.5 coats, we now have the ability to also spray in 2 coats with a short intermediate flash-off time. This application flexibility, together with the Axalta patented chemistry, will help you match the original finish as found on modern cars. The Cc6750 Ultra Performance Energy System Clear can be used on top of all Cromax base coats, if you activate the base coat, like you know from the Cc6700. But because this Clear is designed as a part of the Ultra Performance Energy System, you don't need to activate the base coat when you use the Ultra Performance Sanding Surfacer or non-sanding surfacer.
Now Thomas has told you all about the Clear, I'm sure, and I'm ready to apply. But Thomas, before I do that, what application process would you like me to use?
Let's go with the 2 coats with a short intermediate flash off, because this is what most of the customers are looking for.
Okay, great, thanks. Hey Thomas, I've cleaned the gun, the clear coat's flashed off. What about drying?
Let's go for the most balanced option, which is 40 degrees bake for 10 to 15 minutes. This will reduce energy costs while maintaining good productivity. But also air drying is an excellent option, with drying times of only 30 to 55 minutes, depending on local climate conditions. And when used as a part of the full Ultra Performance Energy System, this will give you a full repair time of approximately 1 hour. So Tony, what do you think of the Cc6750?
Thomas, I'm really impressed with the drying. Look at the gloss, look at the finish. And you know, best of all, I've been able to apply this in 2 coats with a short flash and be completely confident with the product.
Yes Tony, this is looking very good. Even after a short drying time, we can already take it out and refit the car.
You know Thomas, with this level of performance, what a great addition to the system.
Thanks Tony. Cc6750, productivity, energy saving, no compromise.